How to change your search engine on Mozilla Firefox browser. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your search engine if you have, for example, Bing or Yahoo or whatever, and you want to change it to Google, for example. Right now I have Google, as you can see, and all what you have to do is simple. Go to the top corner and click on those three lines, then go down, click on settings and click here on search, and now scroll down right here until you find the default search engine option. Now click here and choose any search engine you want. You have Amazon, Bing, DuckDuckGo and Wikipedia. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.